I'm going to record the movement of this weight now. It's bobbing up and down. There you go. Down, up. Up again. Down a bit. That is corresponding to the motion on top of this sea. It's not a lot, but it's the principle. It's 100 pounds going up and down based on an 8-inch cable that goes out to sea. And what it's attached to is out there in the ocean, and it's a teeter-totter arm. And we're going to try it again on Saturday with more weight out there, more floats, and more weights here. So there you go. That's it. Going up and down. This is a very light sea.